Computer 2. Using Tux Paint, Part 2. Objective. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to learn how to use the paintbrush, stamp, lines, shapes, and text tools. The paintbrush tool lets you draw freehand, using various brushes with different sizes and styles matching it with different colors. To draw, hold the left mouse button and move the mouse. It will draw as the mouse is moved. Stamp tool. The stamp tool is like a set of rubber stamps or stickers. It lets you paste pre-drawn or photographic images on your drawing canvas. Click the pink left and right buttons to search for other stamp categories. Click the mirror image button to flip the stamp image horizontally. Click the double arrow button to flip the stamp image vertically. Click the sizing button to resize the stamp image. Lines tool. The Lines tool lets you draw straight lines using various brushes and colors you normally use with the paintbrush. Shapes tool. The Shapes tool lets you draw some simple filled and empty shapes with different colors. Text tool. The Text tool is the original text entry tool in Tux Paint. Text entered using this tool cannot be modified or moved later since it becomes part of the drawing. You can choose the font style that you like as well as the color. Click the bold button to make the text bold. Click the italic button to make the text italic. Click the down arrow button to make the text smaller. Click the up arrow button to make the text bigger. Practice exercise. Write T if the statement is true, and write F if the statement is false. Number 1. The paint brush tool is like a set of rubber stamps or stickers. The stamp tool is like a set of rubber stamps or stickers. Number 2. To flip the stamp image vertically, click the double arrow button. This statement is correct. Number 3. The Lines tool lets you draw straight lines using various brushes and colors. This statement is correct. Number 4. The Shapes tool lets you draw some simple filled and empty shapes with different colors. This statement is correct. Number 5. The Paint Brush tool is the original text entry tool in Tux Paint. The Text tool is the original text entry tool in Tux Paint.